Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll be showing you how to download and install the chess.com app on your PC in 2024. Let's jump right in. First, let's quickly talk about chess.com. It's one of the most popular platforms for playing chess online with millions of users, tutorials and puzzles to help you improve your game. Before we start, make sure your PC meets the system requirements. You'll need a stable internet connection and a modern web browser. Now open your web browser and go to chess.com. Look for the download section in the menu, or you can also directly go to the App Store if you're using an emulator. Now, if you don't see a direct download button option for PC, you can use an Android emulator like BlueStacks or Nox Player and simply click on download. And that's all there is to it on how to download chess on your PC. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips.